In the last video, we saw that the response from product service is null. Before we fix that, let me go to layout and change this to product. Perfect. Now, whenever we'll be working with any of the API calls, and if we do not get the desired result, we should not debug right here. The best place to debug is where the call is actually made, and that is inside the base service class. Here we are configuring everything and we have the response right here. So let's add a debugging point here and let's run the application. So let me click on product here and let me continue. Perfect. Let me examine what is the response here. You can see the status code is 404 not found. Inside the request message, you can see it is trying to go to the URI here, but we have 2 forward slash. I'm sure that is the issue right here. So if we go to app-settings.json, we can remove the forward slash at the very end, save this, and let me keep the debugging point and run the application. This will be a common scenarios in future when you call the API and it does not work. So the best place to debug is the base service because that is where the call is being made and you can actually see the response from the API. We do F10 and let's examine. Perfect, we get status code 200, which is okay. Let's deserialize the object and see what is the response. Perfect, we got the product right here. So it is working as expected. We can press F10 and return back. If we deserialize the object here, great, you can see we have all the 4 products right here. So we are retrieving the product successfully from our API in our main project. Now in the next video, we will be creating the view for product index and continue from there. Let me remove all of the debugging point, delete all breakpoints. Great, let's continue in the next video.